Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you for joining me today. For today, we are gonna do another graduation craft. My daughter, as I mentioned in a previous video, she has graduated from the 5th grade and she just kept bugging me to make her a graduation gift because in one episode I made a graduation box. So she was like, well, can you make me something? And my answer was yes, and that's why we're here today. Before we get started, I want to encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects. Also, I want to encourage your participation. Your participation helps my channel. When you like, when you share my video, when you comment, all of that helps my channel. So I just want to thank you ahead of time. So I'm going to begin by letting you know the things that you're going to need for this project. You are going to need a 4x4 construction paper. So you're probably going to have to cut that out. So you're going to need a ruler, a pencil, and scissors in order to get those measurements. Also, you want to cut out a 1-inch strip or 1x8-inch strip of construction paper as well. A metal bead, string, button, Dum Dum Suckers. So this project is going to be edible. Small black bucket, 5.7-inch foam ball, glitter alphabet stickers, rocks, wire cutter, hot glue gun, and E6000. So we're gonna do a graduation candy gift. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Here I'm showing you how I made the tassel. I'm looping it around my finger in order to create it. Next, I am using the metal bead to enclose my tassel with. I have already tied a string through my loops to create the tassel, and I also cut the loops at the other end. So here you are. This is how you make the tassel. Okay, so yesterday I started this project. I glued my foam ball onto my bucket with E6000. And before doing that, I put some rocks in the bucket in order to give this some stability. Because I don't want it tipping when I put the suckers on. Now, before I start to place the suckers onto this foam ball, I'm gonna go ahead and work with the graduation hat. So let me do that first. So I'm taking my strip. I'm gonna put it in a circle. And I'm gonna use some hot glue to enclose this circle. This is going on the bottom of the hat. I'm taking my 4x4 square and I'm gonna glue this ring onto it. I'm looking for the better side. Now you want to take your Dum Dum Suckers Use your wire cutter, cut them at a slant, and I'm gonna just begin to arrange these around the hat. I will be back when I'm done. I have placed all the suckers in, and this is how it looks. Now, when you get to the bottom of your arrangement, you want to cut or leave the stick a little longer. So you would probably like cut it like right here. Now, when you're at the top and you're in the middle section, it's okay to cut a little bit more on the stick. But when you get to the bottom, leave it a little long like this, about that long. And then when you insert it straight like this, because you want to work against gravity, because if you insert them like at a slant, they can slide out. So one of them I had to give hot glue, only one. Everything else stuck or stayed in place really, really well. Now on to the head. You want to decide how far down you want your tassel to hang, and I think that's a good length, maybe right there. Okay, I am all done. I went ahead and added the glitter foam letters to this gift. Also, I made use of the bucket handle by putting a little diploma on to it. I really like this gift. Congratulations, LaShondra. Here is your gift. And she specifically asked for something that she can be able to eat. So that's why I created this. And I made something similar to this before. I did like a Mickey Mouse centerpiece made out of suckers. So that's where I got this idea from, and I think it works well for a graduation gift as well. So let me know what you think of this gift. Comment below, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Share it with somebody that you know will be interested in making this for their grad. And if you haven't had the chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for joining me today. Until I see you next time, bye.